the not so glamorous behind the scenes of calligraphy. Pens, ink, nibs, all these things that can be temperamental, very messy. I mean, look, today, cleaning nibs, my fingers stained, and that's after washing them. Cleaning between, a gap between the nibs, refilling, getting the pens to work. Not always, they don't always work straight away. So getting that flow of ink just right. There we go. Marking off to get the right proportions for the letters. Translating onto the paper, ruling the lines. There's a lot of work in preparation before we can even write beautifully.